This is my recipe for Hungarian bean soup. The ingredients you will need is about 500 grams of white beans, so we'll use about half of this. Smoked pork, about 700 grams to a kilo. I got this from a deli. One onion, about six cloves of garlic, and a selection of veggies. So today I'm going with carrots, celery, capsicum, and about 3 teaspoons of salt and some bay leaves. So that's the first set of ingredients. And then we're going to have a second set, which is a few teaspoons, a little bit of flour, a bit of paprika, and some extra garlic. And to cook this, you will need a big pot to cook it for a long time, or you can get a pressure cooker, one of those bad boys. Before we get started, we need to soak these beans for at least 4 hours. So here we go. They're ready. Into the pot. Next, chop the vegetables. Next, peel the onion and just chuck the whole thing in. Done. Peel and chop the garlic. Throw in the smoked pork. Oh yes, smells good. In goes the salt and bay leaves. Fill the pot with water and start cooking. The next part, we're going to use the second set of ingredients. So this is the secret sauce. Alright, so we're going to start with a small saucepan filled with oil all the way in the bottom and a little bit extra. So I'm going to swirl it so you see how much there is. Right, that's already nice and hot. We have the onion, sorry, the garlic from earlier, pre-chopped, finely chopped. 4 teaspoons of flour, 3 teaspoons of paprika. Right, we're going to do this, it all happens quite fast. So start with the garlic. You've got to stir this constantly, make sure it doesn't burn. Turn it down a bit. Whew. Right, that's already cooked. Right, you can see it change colour. Stir in the flour. Give it a stir, make sure it's consistent texture. Right, just little lumps and they'll come out. Right, there we go. Now finally, the paprika. What Hungarian dish wouldn't be complete without paprika? That's all in there. Give that a stir. Here's our secret sauce. Beautiful. Right, now I'm going to transfer this into our pot. It goes in. That's it. Okay. Now we're just going to let that cook for about 2 hours. It's now been cooking for several hours, so it's time to open the pot. Alright, here we go. Take off the lid. Woo! Hell yes. Let's have a little stir. Look, the meat's super soft. Oh, it's falling apart. An onion? Yep, that's just going to fall apart too. There you go. There's the beans, nice and soft. Oh, it's going to be delicious. Right. Won't be a cooking video without giving it a taste test. Oh, here we go. Get some of the soup. Mmm. It's a winner. It's a winner. Thank you for watching.